Have you come across the Remifa Laser Pen and are thinking of buying one? Before you place an order, let's take a closer look. Is it the real deal for skincare, or just another flashy gadget? Stick around, because I'll break it down so you can decide if it's worth trying. The Remifa Laser Pen is a compact, non-invasive skincare device. It's designed to help remove moles, skin tags, warts, dark spots, and other blemishes, all from the comfort of your home. It claims to show visible results in just 2 weeks, and honestly, that's a big promise. So, is it really effective? And more importantly, is it safe? Let's start with the design. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and super user-friendly. No medical experience needed. Just follow the simple steps. Step 1. Clean and dry the area you want to treat. Step 2. Power on the device and choose your preferred intensity level. Step 3. Gently touch the laser tip to the spot you're targeting and let do its work. Now, here's what people love about it. White heavy checkmark professional style results without any clinic visits. White heavy checkmark no painful treatments or appointments. White heavy checkmark portable and USB rechargeable, perfect for at-home or on-the-go use. White heavy checkmark, and best of all, it's a one-time purchase. No refills, no hidden costs. According to real users, some people start seeing changes in as little as 10 to 14 days, with more noticeable improvements over regular use. It works especially well for moles, warts, skin tags, dark spots, hyperpigmentation. So, is the Remifa Laser Pen worth it? If you got small skin concerns and you're looking for a safe, gentle, and budget-friendly option, it's definitely worth considering. Thousands of users have already tried it, and many are seeing real results. Was this review helpful? Be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. And if you've tried the Remifa Laser Pen, drop your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for watching.